premises of government Ayurveda hospital, Bailhongal. There are ficus trees that are hundreds of years old. Mainly banyan tree, peepal tree, fig tree, which harbors most beautiful creatures on earth. Yes, you guessed it right. Birds. Mere 4 to 5 trees are home to more than 20 species of birds because they provide food, nesting materials, and places to roost. Birds you can always spot here are gray hornbills. These birds are always seen in pairs. Hornbills makes their nest in tree hollows. They look for hollows that are large enough for the mother hornbill and her chicks to stay inside till they are big enough to fly. Other bird like common myna makes its nest in holes of this trees. You can see hornbills and myna fighting each other for tree holes. Other commonly seen bird is Asian coal. Male is completely black in color, whereas female coal is streaked brown in color. Other large bird you can spot here is Brahminy kite. It's an eagle. It is seen always on top of trees. Gray hornbill, Brahminy kite, common myna, Asian coal, spotted dove, crow are large birds you can always spot here. Apart from these large birds, these trees are home for many small birds too. Among these, interesting bird is coppersmith barbet bird. It is very beautiful tiny bird. Its sound is heard from very long distances. Other small, vibrant color birds are golden oriole, Asian bee-eater, red-vented bulbul, and Indian robin. For constructing new buildings, cutting of these old trees leads to habitat loss to birds, and it has impact on biodiversity. Conserving such green space at the center of the city is need of the hour.